In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get diamonds fast here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just have some down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to farm diamonds efficiently, you need to focus on higher level enemies. Obviously, the stronger the mobs you fight, the better chances you're going to have at actually getting those diamond drops. So what you're going to want to do is go to the highest level island that you currently have unlocked. And a good way to check this is just by hitting this little compass right here and heading to whatever island is over in that direction. And essentially, once you're there, locate the strongest enemies in that area and start farming them repeatedly. Now, diamonds are a rare drop, so you're not going to get them instantly. And that's why the key here is volume. The more enemies that you do defeat, the more your chances go up in terms of getting diamonds. Another important part of this method is using luck boost. Anything that increases your drop rate a lot over time. Things like, the Kitsune race, the Monarch coin, the Destiny Mark title, and the Fortune rune all will improve your chances. Use those if you have them. And the best strategy is to combine both approaches. Farm them while stacking as many luck boosts as possible. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, once again, ask them down there and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.